Hey everyone, it's John with DPL. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to install the Hercules wireless modem in an ATM. Let's start by reviewing the items supplied in the Hercules box. Of course, we have the Hercules wireless modem, its power adapter, two antennas, the main antenna and the auxiliary antenna, and an Ethernet cable. If your Hercules modem was not shipped pre-activated, we recommend you self-activate it through the mobile-friendly Hercules portal. Call or email DPL technical support to request activation prior to installation. You can contact our technical support department toll-free at 1-800-561-8880 or email support@dplwireless.com. If calling or emailing, please be prepared to provide the following information: company name, email address, Hercules serial number, connectivity type, transaction processor, and message format to be used. Once you've confirmed that the Hercules has been activated, you're ready to begin installation. First, mount the antennas vertically to the ATM a minimum of 4 inches apart. Then fish the wires through the ATM to the area you'll be placing the Hercules. Next, connect the antennas to the Hercules by screwing the SMA connectors into the antenna jacks of the Hercules. Connect the ATM's Ethernet cable to the Ethernet port jack of the Hercules. Connect the power adapter to the Hercules and then plug it into a power outlet. Place the Hercules inside the safe of the ATM and secure it. Now you're ready to begin configuring your ATM. To configure the ATM to communicate over IP via DHCP, simply enable DHCP on the ATM and the Hercules will auto-configure the settings. To configure the ATM to communicate over IP via static IP, configure the IP address to 192.168.0.55 and set the subnet to 255.255.255.0. Set the gateway to 192.168.0.1 and set the DNS to 192.168.0.1. Now that the ATM is configured to communicate over IP, we'll configure the host settings of the ATM. For non-TLS connections, disable the URL option and configure the hosts 1 and 2 to 192.168.0.52. Set host ports 1 and 2 to 8000, and because we're not using TLS, we'll disable SSL. And since the Hercules does not require permanent TCP/IP connection, disable permanent TCP/IP. For ATMs that are connected via dial-up, set the ATM's modem speed to 1200 or 2400 baud and set the host telephone number to 555-0120. If you have questions at any point during your installation, please call our technical support department toll-free at 1-800-561-8880 or email support@dplwireless.com.